Hey, this is Sean from MSP Garage. I just wanted to talk quickly about surveys and email surveys. Here at Crown Computers, my sister company, been running for 20 years here. We have been doing email surveys for probably 7, 8 years. And it's a solution that was built by one of my Linux engineers, who's awesome. And I just throw him projects and he'll just crush it out. And he crushed out one of these missions, and that was to create an email survey because I didn't feel like paying a monthly amount for an email survey. So what I'm going to do at MSP Garage is give out complete instructions on how to do this. So if you're a member of the MSP Garage, you can feel free to download them, and we're going to make it nice so that it has nice ConnectWise templates, so you can just import it as a ticket and it'll have the tasks that you need to do to complete this mission. And hopefully we'll create some nice videos, so make it very easy. So this is the whole idea behind MSP Garage, people, is to share awesome ideas and what can we do with each other to help each other be successful? What are some solutions that we can put together that provide us with a little bit of steady income on the side, plus help the rest of the MSP community and not charge an arm and a leg for this stuff? I mean, I've gotten beaten up for the past 20 years on vendor stuff, and I have created solutions because of this reason to defend against my net income effectively, right? Because that's where it all goes down to. If we could save some money here and it gets, the job done pretty well, email surveys that come in, and we can check it out. So anyway, thanks for listening, and hope to see you at the MSP Garage.